Hello, today we created a JavaScript program that checks a set of three numbers. Depending on how many numbers match, we'll return a specific result. Let's dive in. Program checks three numbers and returns a specific value based on the number of matching numbers. 30 if all match, 40 if only two match, and 20 if none match. Here's the code. The function three numbers takes three parameters, x, y, and z. We first check if all numbers are the same, then if two are the same, and finally return 20 if none of them match. We go through three steps. Check if all numbers match, then if only two match, and finally if no numbers match. Each check returns a distinct result. In this example, all three numbers are the same, so the function returns 30, meeting our first condition. Here, only two numbers are the same, so the function returns 40, following our second condition. In this case, none of the numbers are the same, so the function returns 20 as expected. This is our ES6 version using arrow function syntax. The logic remains unchanged, but the syntax is more compact and modern. In summary, our function efficiently handles different matching conditions, allowing us to return specific values based on the number of matching numbers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript programming tips and tricks.